home. If I had missed that train by a minute, I would have had to wait 40 minutes for the next train. Yeah.
Good morning and welcome to another episode of VLOGMAS. So I am starting this VLOGMAS with my Bible study. Remember I told you that I was hosting a Bible challenge studying the book of Luke, and this is how I go through my process of Bible study. I can't be the only person that uses multiple pens when I am doing my Bible study. Today is December the 5th, and so we're looking at chapter 5 of the book of Luke, and today is Tuesday if I haven't said that already. And one of the interesting things to me in the book of in chapter 5 of this study was that the paralyzed man, when they needed him to be healed, it was the faith of his friends that Jesus worked with. And it just made me to realize that even the community of people that you work with is very important. So let me quickly run you through how I do my Bible study and prayer. I first read the chapter, obviously, with my Bible study journal and my prayer journal by the side. Until I write out the verses of the Bible that ministered to me and what the verses ministered, and then I pray a journal with a particular verse. You can still join this challenge with the link in the description.
Hi guys, so I am getting ready to, where is this headline? To head out now. The video that's supposed to go out today is still exporting. Laughing at myself in French. But it will go out today. The interesting thing about Vlogmas is that I don't have to be fixed with, for me, not like everywhere, is that I don't have to be strict with myself when it comes to timing of uploads. So I can upload a vlog by midnight as long as it is on the day. I'm fine. So this perfume, probably my oldest perfume. Maybe we can say White Diamonds. I'm not a big fan of this scent, but anytime I use it, somebody always gives me a comment like I smell nice. I'm like, okay, maybe it's just me. I know my sister likes it, she loves it, my mom loves it too. Me, on the other hand, not a fan, but I still use it. Okay, so we are off to go. It's the holiday period, so a lot of people are very relaxed with how they get to work and everything, so not a lot of drama break because I'm tired. See you guys later. Lunchtime. it's raining. Look at me walking with umbrella and hoodie on my head. Can't even see me. It's very dark. But I need to do my grocery shopping this night. If I don't do it this night, actually, if I don't do this night, I'll survive because I have dinner. But I've run out of water. Like, I only have what I can drink tonight, and I drink water a lot. So I need to actually go grocery shopping so that I can get at least water. So going in the rain. Thank God it's not far from the outside. It's like 5 minutes away from my house. But the fact that I'm doing this in the rain is annoying. Anyways, I don't know. Here we go. Oh, what a day, what a journey. So something that you guys missed in the vlog, actually you didn't miss it, I didn't vlog it. There was a terrible traffic in the train with the train. I can't speak English, I'm tired. Like, the trains were so messed up today. All the trains were cancelled. Like, I legit got to the screen to check when my train was coming and there were no trains. Like, it was all cancelled. There was an incident. I haven't even sat down to check what was going on because it just wasn't making sense why it would happen the whole day. So going and coming back, the train that I took coming back home, if I had missed that train by a minute, I would have had to wait 40 minutes for the next train. Yeah, 40 minutes. Can you imagine? Anyways, thank God I'm home. So I already did my grocery shopping, and guys, water fell on my hand. I don't feel it now, and I'm just praying like I'm just going to massage it a bit before I go to bed. But yeah, like, so you saw the size of water that I was getting. The one beside the one I got fell. I don't know how. And yeah, there's that. But yeah, grocery shopping done for the week. I got puree, mashed potato puree, whatever it is. I don't know. It's the flour, so all I have to do is mix it with cream on low heat in a pan, and then yeah, that will be done. So I want to try that. Like I've been saying, I want to try it until I saw it in the store today, so I bought it because I'm not confident enough to buy potato and do the whole process. I'm like, let's start with the half done one and then we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I am done for the day and come to the end of the second Vlogmas episode 2. I will see you guys in the next one. Till next time, which is legit starting tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.